How to cancel Telegram group join request. To cancel a join request you have sent to a Telegram group, follow these steps. So first of all, open the Telegram application. When a group is private with join approval required, your request goes to admins. You can cancel it before they accept it. First open it, then tap onto the search bar right here, select it. Then find the group you have requested to join, just like this. Now, after that, it will show requests sent or waiting for approval instead of this right here. Then cancel the request. And if no cancel button appears, long press the group in the search list and swipe left on the group name. Just like this. And then simply cancel or leave. And if you have already joined the group, simply open the group. Just like this, and simply tap the group name and leave the group. And that's it. This is how you can cancel Telegram group join request. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.